Hi, I'm Agnieszka Kromska from Kromski team, and today I will open Presto loom to show you what exactly is inside the box. So let's do it! I'm using small knife to open the box. Now, what we have inside? First is catalog, where you can find other Kromski products, then invitation to Kromski fan group, and this beautiful hand-dyed soft superwash merino yarn. With Presto goes one random color. This is 230 meters in Europe. Also attached to this is free tutorial how to make your first scarf using only this yarn. And this is also what we need: instructions to assemble and photo of all parts of the loom. Now I'm going to pull out these parts. They all are well protected, or most are wrapped in brown paper with paper tape. It's actually very environmentally friendly. Some metal or small parts are in plastic or special bag. During the opening, I want to make sure I have all needed parts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know how to assemble Presto, I invite you to our YouTube channel.